Did you know that 88% of millionaires didn't inherit their wealth? They built it? And the difference between them and everyone else isn't luck. It's their daily habits. Want to know how they do it? Stick around because by the end of this video, you'll learn 10 millionaire habits you can start today. Habits that could change your financial future forever. Before we jump in, ask yourself, if you were handed $1 million today, would you know how to grow it, or would it slip right through your fingers? Ever heard the phrase, the early bird catches the worm? It's true. Tim Cook, CEO of Apple, starts his day at 4:30 a.m. Waking up early gives you a head start on the world, quiet time to plan, and an edge over those still sleeping. Try waking up just 30 minutes earlier each day to plan your goals and get a head start. Warren Buffett spends 80% of his day reading. Why? Because knowledge compounds, just like interest. The more you know, the better decisions you make. Start with 10 pages a day. It's manageable, and over time, it'll change how you think. Most people drift through life hoping things will work out. Millionaires? They set clear, actionable goals and review them regularly. Write down 3 specific goals for the next month and break them into actionable steps. Contrary to popular belief, most millionaires don't live flashy lives. Take Warren Buffett again. He still lives in the same house he bought in 1958. Track your expenses for 30 days and identify areas where you can cut back. Your network is your net worth. Millionaires surround themselves with people who uplift and inspire them. Reach out to one new person in your field this week and build a genuine connection. Despite their wealth, millionaires practice gratitude daily. It keeps them grounded and focused on what truly matters. Every night, write down 3 things you're grateful for. It rewires your brain for positivity. Health is wealth. You can't enjoy your millions if you're too sick to live. Adopt one small healthy habit today, whether it's walking 10 minutes or drinking more water. Millionaires constantly invest in personal growth, whether through courses, coaching, or conferences. Set aside 10% of your income for personal development. Jeff Bezos, Elon Musk, Oprah. What do they have in common? They've all failed multiple times. But they didn't give up. Instead of fearing failure, learn from it and keep moving forward. Generosity is a millionaire's secret weapon. By giving back, they create goodwill and a sense of purpose. Find a cause you care about and contribute, whether it's time, money, or skills. These 10 habits might seem simple, but they have the power to transform your life. Remember, small habits lead to big results. Which habit will you start today? Comment below. And if you found this video valuable, hit the like button and subscribe. Don't miss the next video, where we'll reveal the top 5 side hustles that best credit cards for beginners, low fees, big rewards. You won't want to miss it.